Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I'm super excited. It finally came in. It is from Holo Taco, so let's open it up and take a look. It says, thank you for your order. And it's going to have information, so let's cover that up. And what do we have here? Let's put that to the side. It is very well wrapped, thank goodness, like always. Ta-ta, the multi-chrome nail polish. It is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very holographic. Well, no, not holographic. Multi-chrome. I love the packaging. It is so much more beautiful in person. I really love her boxes, the way she does her packaging. This is beautiful. Look at that. Multi-chrome or go home. Well, I will multi-chrome and I will be home. Thank you so much, Christine. They are absolutely beautiful. This one here is the Cat's Evasion. And it is beautiful. Oops, wrong side. There we go. I think I have way too much lighting going on here, but it looks a little bit different on the camera, but it's more pigmented. On camera it looks more washed out. Focus, focus. There we go. It's a green, purpley, magenta-y color. And this one here is, let me see here, focus. Well, it's purple with envy. I wish it would focus. No, okay. It's probably because it's too bright. And again, beautiful packaging. Purple with, like, I don't know. I think I have way too much. Let's see if I can turn the light off. Focus, there we go. Holo Taco. And this one's called Purple with Envy. I wish it would focus. It's not going to focus. There we go. This one here is Mist Shift. Oh, so beautiful. Yep, camera, well, this lighting really washes out the color, but it is absolutely stunning. It reminds me of the box. So you have like that greenish, and in person I see like a purpley hue here and green, so this one reminds me of the box. Two more to go. I wonder, this is like, no, it is probably not glued on there very well. And these two that are left, let's open these up. This one is Blue Ain't Slick. Look at that beauty. And last but not least, Chameleon Coat. And once again, it's so beautiful. These are the 5 polishes. They are absolutely stunning in person. My camera is washing it out. It could also be the lighting that I'm using, but those are the colors. Thank you for taking your time to see this collection that I just received today. So I was super excited to unbox it and show it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.